Hello,
Hello.
my name is Teacher B. Today we're going to have speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, what's your name?
My name is Ronaldo.
Ronaldo. How are you today?
I'm fine.
That's good to hear. Ronaldo, I want to know, how old are you by the way?
I'm 9 years old.
9 years old. Ronaldo, how many people are there in your family?
Well, there are 4
4 or 8?
people.
4 people. Who are they?
Yes.
They are?
There are dad, mom, sister, and me.
I see. Now, Ronaldo, let's proceed to part 2, finding the differences. So in my picture, and this is your picture, in my picture, there are bills and coins on the floor.
In my picture, the in the floor.
On
On the floor.
okay. In my picture, there are 2 children under the blue table.
In my picture, there are one child.
There is.
There is one child under the table.
In my picture, the waiter is holding a cup of water.
In my picture, the waiter is holding a dish.
Okay. In my picture, the man is reading a plain paper.
In my picture, the man is reading a newspaper.
Yes. This paper.
Yes.
The clock says that it's 1 o'clock.
In the picture, the clock is 4 o'clock.
And in my picture, there is a picture under the clock of a butterfly.
In the picture under the clock. Swan.
This is one. Okay, in my picture, the woman is eating pasta.
In the picture, the woman is drinking wine.
Okay, in my picture, there is a boy outside of the window.
In the picture, the girl is outside the window.
Of the window.
Of the window.
In my picture, the boy is riding a bike.
In my picture, bike.
In my picture, it is a rainy day.
In the picture, it is sunny day.
Okay, thank you for that. Let's proceed to part 3, information of exchanging information. So we need to exchange. I will ask you about Jules' favorite teacher, and you will ask me about Nick's favorite teacher, as well as we will answer each other's question. Do you understand? Okay, so I will ask you first. Ronaldo, what's the name of Jules' favorite teacher? His name is
Teacher is Mr. Wayne.
Mr. May. What subject does he teach? The subject he is teaching
The subject he teaching is
Yes.
history.
history. Okay. What is his hobby?
His hobby is cycling.
Where does he live?
He lives
He lives.
in West Street.
Does he have long or short hair?
He has short hair.
Okay.
One of
Mhm.
the
Nick's.
Nick's favorite teacher.
Her name is Miss Kay.
What subject does he teach?
Does she teach?
Does he teach?
She teaches geography.
What's her hobby?
Her hobby is doing puzzles.
Where does he live?
Where does she live? Okay. She lives in Park Road.
Does she
Does she
have
have?
long hair or short hair?
She has long hair. Okay, let's proceed for the part 4. Okay, so Ronaldo, we will talk about the story about a very good dog. So I will start with Frank's dad is doing some work in the garden. One of his gloves is missing. So could you please continue the story?
In the picture, the dog is working in the garden, but he loses one of the glue.
Gloves.
Lost. The dog is found the gloves.
Is
Found the gloves.
no.
Glove and bring it to him. One day, Frank is he can find
Fine.
one of the
Shoes. Shoes.
one of the shoes, but found
Is-
it to him. Looking a newspaper,
Newspaper.
but she can find it. The dog is found it and bring it to her. And now the dog is looking for a bone. The dog is find the bone.
Has got the ball.
Has got the bone. And maybe family
Friends, family
friends family
is
playing a ball.
Thank you for your time, Ronaldo. Goodbye. Okay, Ronaldo.